Today we're talking about the Goal Zero Yeti app and how you can use it to optimize and monitor your Yeti power usage. Let's get started. The Yeti app allows you to control and monitor your Yeti power station from nearly anywhere. All larger Yetis from our 1500X to the 6000X can be paired with the Yeti app. The newest version of our Yeti app features charging profiles to efficiently monitor battery life and helps your Yeti perform at its best with the latest firmware. The first step in your Yeti app setup process is to pair your Yeti by selecting either Anywhere Connect or Direct Connect. Anywhere Connect lets you control your Yeti from anywhere in the world, but it requires an internet connection. Direct Connect lets you control your Yeti off-grid with Bluetooth, but your mobile device must remain within 50 feet of your Yeti. One press of a button is all it takes to activate your Yeti's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth wireless connection. View all paired Yetis, pair another Yeti, and manage notifications in the dashboard. This app is unique because you can manage your charging profile, where you can monitor when your Yeti stops and starts charging. This helps you make trade-offs between the lifespan and usable energy of the battery. As always with Goal Zero, help is just a couple of taps away in the settings. Thanks for tuning in to another Back to Basics lesson. Check out Goal Zero's blog for more tips on our products.